If you haven't yet had green peas like this, you are sure going to love Khoya Matar recipe. Let's get started. In a grinder, take 2 tablespoon curd, 15 gram cashew, 4 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves, 10 gram ginger, 2 tablespoon water. Grind the ingredients into a fine paste and keep it aside. In a separate pan, take 100 gram mawa or khoa, whatever you name it. But make sure do not put on the heat. Crumble the large chunks of mawa by your fingers like this. Into it add 2 tablespoon water. Then put on the heat on low flame and start stirring. Cooking this mawa on high heat may burn the whole thing. After a while, you can see the mawa has totally absorbed the water and turned like a fine paste. Turn off the heat and keep it aside. Heat 4 tablespoon oil in a karhai. Add 1 tablespoon clarified butter or ghee. You can prepare the whole dish in the clarified butter. Stir it well until the ghee melts. Next in goes 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves. Add half teaspoon jeera. Once they start crackling, saute for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion. Continue to saute until the onion turns translucent. I don't want the onions to be brown, so this is the perfect stage to add the tomato. This is 1 tomato roughly chopped. Saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now you need to add the previously prepared grinded paste. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. The masala left some oil, so this is well cooked. Add green peas. This is 200 gram. Add salt to taste. You can use fresh or frozen peas. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, cover the lid and cook until the peas become soft. Lastly, add the sauteed khoa. Mix it well. Add water to get the desired consistency. I have added 1 cup water to it. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. Next in goes 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Rub it by 2 hands. This will enhance the flavor of kasuri methi in the gravy. Mix it well. Cover and cook for another 8 minutes on low heat. Looking absolutely delicious. You can see the amount of oil the curry already left. Add 15 to 16 raisins. This will add a little sweetness to the curry. Also add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes more on low flame. Mawa Matar is ready now. You can have this dish with rice, roti or naan. Hope you like this rich, creamy green peas masala curry recipe. Make sure to leave a comment down below. I would love to know how you went. Give this recipe a try. Share the recipe with your friends and family. If you have enjoyed the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, happy cooking!